time limit Android easy fix in 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve the app time limit on our Android phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now every Android phone comes with these settings to set an app time limit, and if you have set one but you're not being able to remove it, you can easily remove it the way you just added it. So open up the settings app on Android, and every settings application on Android has an option called digital well-being and parental control. So every Android phone should have this option, so you have to go to digital well-being and parental controls option. Now over here you should be able to see app timers or any of the other settings that you've made. So if I want to set a timer for Telegram, I'll tap the set timer option. Then I can choose an application such as Telegram. Let's say I can tap on set timer and I can give it a certain amount of minutes or hours, then tap the done button to set a timer. Now I will not be able to use Telegram on a daily basis for more than this time. Now what I need to do is, if I want to remove it, all I have to do is just select that particular app again, then just remove Telegram from here, then just tap on the done button, and once you tap on the done button, you'll be able to go ahead and then remove the Telegram app time limit. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.